The curve fitting. You can fit the curve to line fitting or parabola fitting. Now in the line, here the equation of a line is y is equal to a plus bx. You can do y is equal to mx plus c, there is no problem. Here y is equal to, this is the equation of a parabola, y is equal to a plus bx plus cx square. Now here the data will be given. These are x, x1, x2, x3 up to xn. Here yn, y1, y2, yn. Now I will show you the total now. These are the butters given. For every x there is a y. Okay. Now for line fitting, the step 1, this is the working rule. Now delete x1, y1, x2, y2, x2. These are the points. X and yn are given points, data. So in the coordinate, this you can throw in the xy coordinate. These are the points given, and we have to pass such a straight line fitting, which will be, these points will be the nearer to the straight line. The least square method it is called. Now let us do the second step. Now this is given, no? Y is equal to a plus bx given. So summation of y will be equal to summation of a, that is nothing but na. N is the number of the datas, 1, 2, 3 up to n. So now these are the things: summation of y, summation of xy, summation of x, summation of x square. We have to find out. How? I will tell you. Now it is given y is equal to a plus bx. So you take the sum here. So summation of y will be equal to summation of a is nothing but na plus b summation of x. To understand why it is na, a plus a plus a plus up to n. So it is na. This is the equation. Now you multiply this one by x. So this is xy. Now what will be here? If you multiply this one by x, so xy will be equal to ax plus bx square. So ax will be equal to a summation of x plus b summation of x square, and these two are the equations. This is equation number 1 or equation number 2. From there are two unknowns, a and b, and there are two equations. We can find out a and b. Okay, how we will do the table I will show you. This is x given, y given. So xy you have to calculate, and x square you have to calculate. So you take this one as a sum of x. This is the addition sum of y. This is the addition sum of xy, and this is the addition x square sum of x square. These are required. You have to calculate first from the data given. So okay, this is the, after finding a and b, you put this a and b in the equation here. So you will get a straight line equation. I will show you a example. Let me just do the theory first. The two problems will be done in the same time. So the two is parabola fitting. Now you know this is the working rule. Now step 1, construct normal equations for A, B and C. Normal equation means you know what is the equation given. Y is equal to A plus bx plus cx square. Similarly, sum will be equal to summation of y will be na plus b summation of x plus c summation of x. So this is equation 1. This is the equation. You multiply the equation with x. This is the equation 2, and you again multiply the given equation with x square. So this will be the equation 3. There are 3 unknowns a, b, c and 3 equations, and this will be the linear equations, so you can solve it easily. And this is the table we have to do for parabola. Now up to this from here to here we have done for straight line, and this another 3 will be required for complete for parabola. Okay, understand, no? So, and the curves we get will be approximate, because you see all the points may not be on the straight lines or parabola we have found out. X, Y, the points may not be on the straight line or parabola. It can be little bit away from it, which is called error. So this is the when if the values are big figures, means xy values, then we can make it small by substituting u is equal to x minus a dash, where a dash is equal to the assumed mean for x values, and b is equal to y minus b dash, where b dash is again assumed mean for y values. Now the values has changed now to u and v. So now this is the line fitting. V is equal to a plus bu. The same way we go on doing. Then put in the ultimately u is equal to x minus a dash, b is equal to y minus b dash. Okay, so you will get the equation of a straight line directly in this form also, and we can put it u is equal to x minus a dash, b is equal to 1. So this is a straight line equation which can be solved, and parallel fitting is also there. Y is equal to v is equal to a plus bu plus cu square. So you can do it easily. Okay, now I will give you the example. Let us this is a numerical on this. Now this is the numerical one on card fitting. Now you just write down the total problems. I will show you first in the okay. Now we take down, this is numerical one. Find the card fitting for straight line. For the first case is straight line. Now I will roll on, I will not talk the values, it is obvious. On this table is very obvious, you have to first do the table, and this is the equation. We have to find out A and B. Now this is the x values given, y values given. These two vertical, these two columns are given, and you have to find out these two columns. So these are calculated. So if you take this addition, this will be sum of x, summation x, and this y, summation x y, and summation of x square. Okay, so we put this value y is equal to, this is the equation okay. So this is the equation 1. So this is the equation, this is the equation 2. Okay, so two equation, two unknown A and B. So A and B can be found out. B we have found out, it is 4.4, and A we have found out this is minus 3.63. So the equation is y is equal to 4.4x minus 3.63. So this is the answer. Now you will find, if you put the value of y1 here and x1 here, you will get y1 whatever is given in the table, there is some error. Okay, it will not be exactly, some point may be exact, but in other points may not be exact. Okay, so once again I roll on.